Alright, let's continue our testing of these two saws. We're going to cut cookies today. Quick review of the saws. Got a Poulan Pro 5020, 20-inch bar, full chisel skip chain. The only modifications to it besides spinning the carb is it has a muffler mod. You can see the hole drilled in here. The other saw is a Poulan Pro 3400. It's also been muffler modded. It's also been ported. The base gasket delete. It's a 24-inch bar with a full chisel chain. So here you can see the muffler mods. So for the 5020, it's just a basic straight hole drilled through. I don't think anything of the internals had to be taken out. This is a fairly unrestrictive muffler. With the 3400, you can see, it's hard to see from here, but actually you can see better on this side. You can see right back in here, basically it's cut a slit right there. It kind of bent out for the hole there. There's one also on the top, which comes out under there, and also one on this side. You can't really see it, but so it's got 3 extra holes, as well as some baffling has been taken out. The muffler mod on both these saws seem to open them up very nicely. At least it made them a lot louder. All right, let's get to it. Alright, I think we're in for a little bit of a surprise. The Poulan Pro 5020, I definitely could lean on harder and push to get through the log. The 3400, you may have seen, it stalled a couple times, so I'll be editing out that time. That's, I guess, a user error. But I think I have 1 or 2 cuts just straight through, but it definitely was going slower. It definitely felt like it anyways. But I'll add the times, and I'll put the times in right after this conversation. A couple of things though. This is a 40-year-old saw. It has a 24-inch bar versus a 20-inch bar. This one is a just a full chisel chain. This is a full chisel skip chain. Here's the final numbers right here. And you can leave comments below what you think. Was it really because it had a 24-inch bar? Was that the big difference? Was it the chain? Or Was there something else that you think? Is it because it's 40 years old? I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, leave some comments. That's what's going to help me to keep doing these videos. And just starting out, it's a lot of fun, but it makes it even it's even funner for myself if I get some responses and some subscriptions. Oh, one more thing. Why don't we just check the compression on these again? This one I've ran probably a tank and a half through it, and this one I forget what it was, but I believe this is 180 psi. Let's check the compression and see if maybe that was a factor. All right, let's check the compression on this one. I'm not sure if it makes a difference if they're warm or cold. Either way, they're both warm now. So let's see. What do we got here? Nice brown color spark plug. It's a little more towards black than brown, which is fine with me. Let's see if I can do this. It'll be upside down. Maybe I can flip the video. Here's my results. Just a little above 170. Looks like 172, which is not bad. All right, let's check the compression on the 3400.
Well, there goes the train. They're parking it into the siding.
They parked something in the siding, right?
They're still parking it. See?
Well, they're done now. They're leaving.
No.
They just left.
Yeah, they went that way first.
Yeah, but the train just left. Video. All right, let's look at this spark plug. It's also a nice brown, which is good. Matthew's going to give it a pull if he can. Here's the results of the Poulan 125. Well, now that I did a compression test, I don't know if that makes any difference. Is 170 plus high for this one? I don't know. Did I get a ringer? Maybe. Either way, I'm happy with both saws. I really had hoped that this one would be quicker. There's a little more work on this one with a shorter bar, with maybe crank seals. It would definitely be up there and just as good as the new one. And it definitely is more durable, being a full magnesium case. Anyways, thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. Oh, before you forget, next video, MS-170 review, and doing some upgrades and modifications on it. So stay tuned for that. Have a great day.